I'm going to show you how you can earn $2,300 a month with this AI email affiliate program. And I'm also going to give you 3 free strategies at the end of the video to promote the affiliate program. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform to find the best affiliate programs for free. In today's video, we're going to be going over the SaneBox affiliate program, and it pays 20 to 30% reoccurring commission for life. If you don't know what SaneBox is, it's an AI email management service for a distraction-free inbox, and it saves companies and people so much time. The cookie length is 90 days. It's on the PartnerStack affiliate network, which I will show you how to sign up to in this video. The company's been around since 2010, and you can get paid out via PayPal, Stripe, or wire transfer as an affiliate. And this is their homepage right here. And if you click the link down below, you actually can get a $25 credit towards a SaneBox subscription, as well as a 14-day free trial. And SaneBox connects to AOL, Yahoo, Outlook, Gmail, and many of the big email service providers and apps out there. And it can work on your desktop as well as your mobile phone. You don't have to download anything. It just integrates and works out of the box. And it saves companies so much time, and they take security and privacy very seriously. They also have amazing reviews by their users. They have 4.9 star review on average out of over 1,000 reviews on platforms such as Trustpilot. And Tony Robbins said, SaneBox is the best solution to email overload. Simple, flexible. I can never go back to the old technology. And just to go over some of their core features real quick, you can banish annoying senders. So if you're continuing to unsubscribe to newsletters and you're getting more and more emails from the same company, you can put those senders into what's called the black hole. You can also snooze emails. You can also get a daily digest which is a daily summary of unimportant emails that you haven't opened yet. And you can also have a personal follow-up assistant where you can get a reminder if somebody doesn't respond to your email by a certain time. And Shopify is using SaneBox, and they did a case study, and their employees are saving 500 hours a month on email with SaneBox, because a lot of employees at a lot of companies out there spend a lot of time in their email. And so SaneBox is absolutely great for companies or startups or just business owners or people who get a lot of email. And this is their features page right here. We'll just go over their features real quick, and then I want to show you how you can sign up to the affiliate program and start making money, and also show you those 3 strategies. So one of their features is you can get a fresh start. You can start from scratch. You can do an email deep clean, so you can get to inbox 0. You can focus on emails that matter. SaneBox has powerful AI technology that can instantly filter unimportant emails, important emails, etc. You can banish unwanted newsletters for good. You can snooze emails. You can know when to follow up. And this is their pricing page right here, so you can get an idea of how much you can make off a commission. For example, say somebody signs up to their dinner plan because they have 4 email accounts and they purchase the yearly plan, which is $299 a year. If you're making 20% reoccurring commission, which you start out as when you first sign up to the SaneBox affiliate program, you're going to make $60 a year. Once you get to the 30% reoccurring commission, you're going to make $90 a year. And signing up to the affiliate program is actually super easy, guys. All you need to do is click the link down below and then click Become a SaneBox affiliate. Oh, but one thing I want to show you, which is absolutely amazing about this affiliate program, and one of the reasons why people are converting so high, is because you can offer a $25 credit to people for free towards their subscription. So people are incentivized to use your affiliate link, which is great for affiliates. And you can see that their program is ranking in the top 25% on PartnerStack for high conversion rates. And partners on average are earning $2,300 a month after 6 months of joining this AI email affiliate program by SaneBox. So these are absolutely insane commissions that affiliates are making. I think this affiliate program has huge potential. So click the link down below and click Become a SaneBox affiliate, and it'll bring you to this page. And this is basically an affiliate landing page that PartnerStack creates. And you're going to go ahead and click Join Now, which is going to bring you to this page. If you're already signed up with PartnerStack, make sure to click the login link. If you're not signed up with PartnerStack, then you're going to go ahead and just put in your email and fill out an application. Only takes you a few minutes, and then you have to wait for approval. And once you're approved, you can start sharing your link. And here are 3 strategies I see affiliates making money with the SaneBox affiliate program. One of them is doing YouTube reviews. For example, this is titled Spring Clean Your Inbox with these 3 features, SaneBox. And he has an affiliate link in the description. And then there's another video, how I use SaneBox to organize my email. And you can see the affiliate link right here. And then the second strategy is to do blog post. So you can see right here, SaneBox review, is SaneBox worth it? And that's like a really catchy title. So a lot of people are going to be searching something like this before they buy SaneBox. And then if you scroll down and you hover over his link, SaneBox, or right here, get a 14-day free trial, it's his affiliate link. So he's making money every time somebody signs up, finishes the trial, and starts paying for the service. Here's another blog post, SaneBox Review 2024, My Smart Inbox Zero Setup. And she goes over SaneBox and all the features and why it's good and why she uses it. And she has a bunch of links and buttons for a call to action, get 14 days free. And then when people sign up and they finish their free trial and start paying, she starts getting reoccurring commissions for the lifetime of the account. Now, the third strategy, which I think is very smart, is promoting on LinkedIn. Writing posts on LinkedIn, because there's so many business professionals on LinkedIn. A lot of them have money, a lot of them want to save time, a lot of them want to declutter their inbox. So if we scroll all the way down, you can see right here they have their affiliate link. It doesn't hyperlink, it looks like, in the LinkedIn articles. However, if you say, make sure to use this link and you're going to get $25 off, even if it doesn't hyperlink, people are going to have an incentive to copy and paste it. So I think promoting on LinkedIn will also work absolutely amazing. And those are 3 free strategies. And like I said, affiliates on average after 6 months are earning $2,300 a month. So I highly recommend this affiliate program. I think it's probably one of the best AI email affiliate programs out there. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And make sure to check out affiliate.watch if you want to find more affiliate programs. And we have an AI category as well as an email category if you're interested in those niches. And we also have many other niches. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Thank you for watching.